Are you watching porn without sound?
What? Am I watching who without sound?
Iwan ko kung bakit masarap yung lechon sa Cebu. You know what, Tommy? Don't talk about that, Tommy. Oy, maglagot na ba ko ba?
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, good morning. Well, it's not good morning anymore. It is good afternoon. At saka tripod yung dinadala ko at ang bigat. Itong lipstick ko pala is 3 colors. Wet and Wild 3 colors. Mini-mix-mix ko siya, guys. Iba-iba cool. Mahirap talaga pag walang brow, eh. Ganyan na lang, ulo na lang at saka liig yung makikita ninyo, okay? Agoy, kuroy. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Ang kakainin ko lang is... Ano bang kakainin ko dito, oy? Baka sira na ito, hukam. Ito na lang kakainin ko yung niluto kong leftover na steak at saka nirecook ko yun. At saka fried rice, guys. Ito, guys, tignan natin, guys. Tignan natin. Tawagan natin yung asawa ko, guys, ha. Hold on, guys. Papunta yan dito mamaya. Papunta dito mamaya. Tignan natin anong ginagawa, ha. Surprise call natin. Udto. Yellow, green, orange.
Yellow, green, orange, what?
What happened?
Oh, you didn't tell me.
What happened? What are you doing?
Nothing. How about you?
You're doing something, hon. I know.
Oh, right now I'm walking upstairs. Trying to cool off up here.
Why, is she hot in there?
It's hot, huh?
Are you watching porn without sound?
What? Am I watching who without sound?
Are you watching porn without sound?
Yeah, I'm watching Supernatural with sound. Well, you were talking to somebody else when I'm on the phone when you called me, so I figured you're playing.
I'm not playing, Tommy. I'm watching news and I'm preparing my lunch.
So who are you talking to?
No, I'm not talking to somebody. I'm talking to you.
No, you called, you asked yellow, green, brown, something like that.
I said yellow. You said hello. And it sounds like yellow. Yellow. I said yellow, green, orange. Honey. May mga taong nag-request ng ng house tour. Ang gagawin ko na lang is na house tour ko na ito, guys. Matagal na yung 2 years ago. Itong bahay na to yung bago namin bili na wala pang furniture, walang curtains, walang kahit anik-anik, walang TV, wala-wala. So ngayon, meron ng kaunting furniture. Itutour ko kayo dito. And FYI lang, walang kagamit-gamit. Ito, kwarto, wala, bed namin, wala dito. Wala pa talaga, as in, wala pa dito yung mga gamit. Wala kasi kami mga gamit ng asawa, eh. And magkakain tayo ng lunch. Magkakain talaga. Magkakain tayo tuwing umaga. Kain tayo, guys. Fried rice ito kahapon. Magkamay na naman ako, guys. Si Hubs ba nakatingin na lang? Uy, binigyan naman kita ng... Galing pala ako sa labas, guys. Nag-ana ako sa labas yung, di ba, nagtatanim ako. Akala ko, guys, napapatay. Napatay yung string beans. Wala pala napatay. I mean, hindi tumutubo ba? Yung parang mamamatay na siya. Yung yellow siya, no? Pero nung lumabas ako kanina, sabi ko, may paganon-ganon na, may parang yung, may paganon-ganon ba? Tumaas na siya konti. So, nilinis ko siya. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya, guys. Bahala tong lipstick mawala, guys. Basta kabusog. Yeah. Na-happy ako, guys, kasi tumubo talaga siya, guys. And also, diba, bumili kami ni Tami ng lavender na sabi ko, sagbot doon sa Home Depot. Bumili kami and so, tinanim ko siya, ipakita ko rin sa inyo, pero of course, hindi pa siya tumubo kasi tanim lang pala. Bago lang tanim. Ang sarap ng fried rice, eh. Iwan ko kung bakit masarap yung lechon sa Cebu. Yung umuwi ako sa Pilipinas, nagpaletsyon ako sa papa ko. Ang sarap. As in, malasa. At sa loob, di ba sa loob, sobrang ano siya, di ba madaming laman kahit hindi siya binibenta. Kasi kami lang yung nagluluto. Di ba mostly kung magbibili kayo ng lechon sa labas, kinuha na yung mga laman-laman sa loob at saka maraming kinuha. At saka yung mga parang natira na lang is para yung ribs na lang. Kapag kayo talaga yung gumawa at kayo yung maglilitsyon, lahat ng ano sa loob, yung maraming meat, maraming ano ba, hindi kinuna ng mga karne. Kasi pamilya lang kasi. Kung gagawa ka ng lechon na ganun, may part sa pig na parang tough yung ano, ang tender lang is yung malapit sa ribs, ganyan yung mga meat na malapit sa ribs, at saka yung some of the thing is like parang tough. Hindi naman tough, parang hindi siya tender. Yung ama ko, ang ginagawa niya, kapag yung malapit na, kapag halfway na, malapit na maluto, mga 50-50 ba, halfway na. Yung ama ko, nagbubuel ng tubig, at saka, dahan-dahan niyang binubuhusan yung, ipatindig niya yung pork, yung lechon, at saka, ibubuhos niya yung, dahan-dahan yung, mainit na tubig, doon sa ilalim, doon sa, yung sa tiyan ng tubig ba, sa tiyan ng pork, and then suddenly, he laid it down, and then they roll it. So, yung mga lasa, kung ano man yung lasa na nasa loob, so nanuhot-suhot talaga siya sa ilalim ng mga meat. At saka, sobrang tender lagi guys, parang binubuhil siya ng ilang oras. Yung pork, ang sarap. Kasi diba, lagyan ng lamas, lagyan ng asin, yung ilalim ng tiyan ng So, yun, yung tubig, nagdadala ng yung mga lasa niya, sumusuhot-suhot talaga. Matutulog na sana ako, pero tignan niyo. I'm gonna take off my lipstick, guys, because it's ridiculous. Very clingy talaga itong si Habs. Uy, makakaloka. Tignan ko muna dito ang dahon niya, guys. Tignan mo, hala, may chicken paddles. Hala, shit. Anyway, magkita-kits na lang tayo mamaya. Tawagan ko si Tami. And, yun, sabihin ko na, Han, kapag nakadating ka na dito, punta ka diretso sa backyard kasi doon na lang kayo magkita-kits ng aso. Para doon na lang sila magkita-kita. Okay, that means we have to turn the AC a little bit lower. Because Tami, it's always like, it's so hot. You have to wait. He will be here. Dada will be here. Aroy, ginoo ko. Excited lagi ba? Magkita ra mo sa gawas. Oy, doon kayo sa likuran magkita. Sinabi ko kay Dada na doon siya sa likuran. Tignan niyo. Excited because, ay nako. Kumain na akong baby. Kumain na si baby. Busog. Busog. Busog ang baby ni mama. Butog. Butog-butog. Manawi butog. Butog. Uy, butog. Ito siya. I love you. I love you. I love you so much. I do love you so much. I know I scratched your hiney. I scratched your butt. I just come. Bushog. Butog. Butog. Roxy, come right here. Nag-umiyak na dun. Putsak. Hey. Oh, it's right here. Come, let's go this way. Come here. Come here. Oh, di na maminaw, guys. Hindi na nakikinig. Right here. Dada's right here. Ala, Dada's right here. Roxy. Roxy, Dada's right here. Roxy. Hala, Dada's right here. Come here. Dada's right here. Han, call him. Oh my God. Dada's right here. Come here, Roxy. Come in. Hala, Han. Hala, watch out your face, son. Watch your face.
Don't say it. Yes, I know you're so excellent. Good girls. Good girls.
They're looking for grandma.
Okay, you want to go find grandma now? Want to go find grandma? Go on, let's go find grandma.
Crazy dogs.
Let's go. Let's go find grandma.
Umiyak talaga si Roxy.
I'll come open the door, you can go see her. Okay, you ready? Okay. Where is she? Where is she?
Yun ang mangyayari. Masaya lang talaga makita silang masaya. As in, kakaiba talaga yung saya nila, guys, kapag dada nila, guys. Nagsisilos na talaga ako nito, guys. Kakaiba yung saya ng ano nila, yung nararamdaman nila kapag si Tami na talaga yung andito. Iba talaga, as in. Anyway, mamaya pa ako magluto. Bahala eh. Bahala si Batman. Marami kaming basura dito, guys. Tignan nyo. Look. Itatapon pa ito. Look. I cleaned that area over there. Tignan nyo, guys. Look. I put this thing that it will like crawl here. Crawl. And that one right there. That. And over there. That too. Tignan nyo yun, guys. But did you see our... It's nice over here. Look, yung mga flowers namin dyan, guys. There's the flowers.
The sun's killing them.
Huh? I just water. You know what I plant over there?
Well, I don't know what this is.
That's the... That's...
Berries?
Yeah, I just eat some. You know what I plant over there?
Hmm.
Remember you buy me a rolling pad
Yeah.
of
Flowers.
lavender?
Yeah.
I put there. I cut pieces.
You guys are noisies.
Now you're coming back in, Rox? What the heck, Rox? My Tommy want pizza. From where she ordered the pizza. That, remember that big pizza, guys? Yung malaking pizza na in-order niya. What is the mix? What do you put in it? It tells you?
Mozzarella, Parmesan, pineapple, and ham.
Yeah.
Have we added something to
Pepper.
that?
Pepper.
Oh, we had peppers and black olives you wanted.
But you don't...
I
No,
forgot.
no, don't do it. Don't do a lot of toppings because it charges you extra.
It doesn't come in extra. It comes in medium and large, but only the plain comes in extra large. I wonder why.
What do you mean plain?
Like plain pizza comes in medium, large, and extra large. This is only medium and large, so I'm wondering if that can't be large. I mean, then what would be an extra large? An extra large size of the table? I mean, I don't know.
The size in the table. Seriously, Han? Seriously. It's gonna be quiet that area already. It's like everybody's sleeping.
People who work in the city, they don't get home till shit.
Why, you think there's a lot of city worker here?
I think there's enough.
She work in the city, Manhattan.
Hmm?
She work in the Manhattan.
She used to. I don't think she does now.
Why? I thought that's what it says.
No, he said she used to work at a bank in Manhattan.
Oh.
Now she must work up here.
I'm afraid of me. I was planning of...
It doesn't matter. You shouldn't plant them like that with the rest of the plants. They should have their own section.
But I don't have a good soil in this area.
You make it. I told you, dig it up, put topsoil, and plant it.
You dig it. You cannot even try to dig a little bit holes in it. Yeah.
Pickaxe.
Why don't you just like put soil on top of it?
I don't have what, a mountain?
Huh?
And have a mountain? The roots have to grow down, hon.
Listen.
You can't go down 2 inches.
Listen to me.
Right.
For sure, it go down too. Once you put soil on top. But I put a wood, a block of wood, like, you know,
Right.
to make a thing.
Block
And
it
then,
off.
yeah,
Leaves
block
and
it off.
grass.
And then that area, I can wade a little bit over there. And then put soil on it. Like that.
Where would you do it? Back there?
Back outside. No, it's not outside. There's a lot of animals will eat it. Inside, Roxy and Misty won't do it. Won't touch it.
You sure?
Yeah. Hi guys, ang daming puti-puti sa buhok ko guys. Look,
Puri, guys.
ang daming puti-puti. Puti-puti. I have a lot of gray hairs already.
The way she drives, no wonder.
The way I what?
Drive.
The way I drive? No. I drive perfect. Tommy ordered a pizza already and the owner says 30 minutes. So Tommy have to run around and do stuff. Whatever.
No, do nothing. Just sitting for 30 minutes.
He cannot wait over there for 30 minutes, so he has to drive.
Yeah, seems sensible to me.
What is this over here? A cemetery?
That's what it is.
Oh, there is a big cemetery here. Oh, it's a big one.
You know where to send me.
You know what, Tommy? Don't talk about that, Tommy. Oy, maglagot na ba rin ko ba? Maghisgot ganit kapag makikita ako ng cemetery.
Cemetery, mag-robo.
Gusto sa magsasabi nila siya na doon mo ako dalhin. Makalagot ba ma? Parang makalami lami.
Oh, let's go this way.
Halahan oy. Hala guys, oy hala oy. He's everywhere now. Now we're lost, guys. That's a big cemetery, Han. It's a good one, Han. Compared to the other one over there.
Oh, that one's not really it. That was a cemetery 100 years ago.
Your signal, oy.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Oh, nice.
I like that. Trailer.
Nice trailer. This is what we do, guys. We like checking houses. Every time Tommy drives somewhere, houses. Slow down. There's no one behind you, so we can see houses. Oh, there's 2 shades over there.
Yeah.
3 actually.
And a port.
Yeah.
Oh, one's the external, the detached garage, one's a port, one's a shed.
Hala. Slow down. Hala. Where are we now?
I don't know, somewhere in the back.
My God, my husband. Hala, guys. Probably we're lost.
Probably. That's a nice house.
Hala, that's a nice house. Nice entrance. Hala, guys. We are lost, Han. We cannot find our route.
Get me lost 2 minutes in, I know you.
We're lost. We are really lost, Han, because we don't know where we are.
Oh,
We
look
have-
at this house. I like this house.
Hala, this is the one that we almost buy. Hala, we found the house, guys. That's why we are here in this town. That's the first reason why we are here living, because I found that house online, and then when we come and check it, because the realtor bring us over here, and then suddenly the owner was there, and then she said that she cannot show us the house because the owner was there.
Waterfall.
There's a waterfall over there.
Yeah, that's man-made. But
You know why I like that house? There is a swimming pool in the backyard, and it's all wood. It's all wood. Like the house is all wood.
log cabin.
Yeah, how you call that?
Log cabin.
Yeah, it's a cabin looking. How?
It's a log. It's made from logs.
Yeah, it's a house, but it's a log cabin. It's all wood, guys. I like it. When then the house is. When I look inside, probably Tommy won't like it.
Look, he's got the four.
Han,
fence.
just
No,
Han.
there's nobody here.
Han, watch out because it's. Oh, that one, that fence over there.
It's 4 high.
Yeah, I like that
It's higher
kind.
than ours.
Yeah,
I'd like to ask him where he got it. I wonder if there's a
he
name.
made it.
No. He
Go
might-
park.
No, you know what? It's flat. See, they're flat. They're not round.
I like flat.
No.
Han.
Alright, noisy. You're all crazy.
Oh my God, seems like they never see you. Oh my God, slow down, Han. Si Roxy, Han. She get hurt, Han. Ala, Misty, uy. She get aggressive. Misty get aggressive like we never saw you, huh? What? What? Sila, you... Hello, baby. Hello. Shush. Be careful, Roxy. You hurt yourself. Hi guys, ipakita ko sa inyo guys kasi kakain lang kami sa labas. Sa labas kami kakain. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung in-order ni Tami. Sabi niya, iba daw. It's different. Oh, this is a smaller version. It's really a small version. This is sucks. It sucks, guys. Yeah, tignan nyo. It's small version. This is ridiculous. What, hon? Yeah. Where do you think you're going? Roxy. Itapon ko na yung dakidakdak mo. Oh. Naku, tulog ko. Mama and Dad is going up. Okay? We're going up. Do you wanna going up with us? No, you stay here. No. Hey? Treaties. No, you're begging. You're begging me to go upstairs. Do you want to go up? Night, hon. See you upstairs. Bye. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.